Here we go, my 5th flight of my Bebop drone. I am flying in Egg Harbor City. There's an abandoned Acme parking lot next door. So I decided I wanted to get some shots of this area. I fly out in the middle of the field, I climb up. Again, I seem to hit a ceiling where it doesn't quite want to go higher. Like right there, it just doesn't seem to want to go higher, and it starts drifting sideways a little. The winds are pretty high, so I don't stay up too high for long. Here's the Acme to the left. It's actually deceptive how high it is. You don't realize just how high you are until you see something comparable. Here's work. Here's the Acme sign, the old 50s gigantic sign. That's Route 30. Sorry for the sniffles. Wonder why the video's tilted. It's almost like it misjudged a level, so it doesn't realize that it's not level. Or maybe you can only compensate so much. I don't know. Here we go. It's a good shot. Hit the limits of the video stabilization there. Like I said, it was going pretty good. I was tilting pretty hard. I was going the full 15 degrees. I think I'll have to increase that for when it's windy like this. Bringing it down. Just not comfortable with the winds yet. I'm full tilted right now, and that video didn't budge. That's amazing. It really is pretty good video when the light's good. Here's my leaf. I decided I want to get low and do some speed runs. Just see how the video, you can see how much is tilted right there. And the video is just rock solid. It looks like it's going so fast. Yeah, I do not want to go out over the highway. Stay in the field. Look how much it tilted. That video is just solid, rock solid. I tell you, they really nailed it with the video stabilization in this thing. It's very impressive. I'm maybe 2 feet off the ground, 3 feet off the ground. I get a little close. You see how look how much it's tilting. Look at the shadow. And the video is just solid. So impressive. Someone's curious about my drone. Fire the hellfires. Wah. He's got a toy of his own. He's about to show me. We're just talking about it. He's into RC flying as well, so. I tell you, I hope other manufacturers take heed of this Sky controller. And whether you use the same tech or not, use that control layout and configuration. It is awesome configuration. I love the way it feels in the hand. I love the way the controls work. It just feels good. Matter of fact, if I ever come across a broken Sky controller, I just might buy it if I can get it cheap enough to gut it and put like a regular Futaba system inside of it so that I can have the same physical layout but with a system that'll work with other aircraft. And when there's not much wind pushing it around, it is solid. When it holds its position, it does a very good job. Very little drift. We're going to go follow him over to his truck and spy on what he's got. What has he got there? Aha, I see an electric helo. Yeah, he's got a cool toy. He said it might come back later in the warmer weather and we could fly together. Maybe I can catch some video of his helicopter in the air. And I decide, hey, I still got power left, so I might as well get some video of our property here. There's the deck we're building. My sister's car, my sailboat, which I have to get rid of now because somebody stole the mast. Bastards. It costs more money to replace the mast than the boat's worth. Meaning I could buy another boat with a mast for less than the cost of replacing the mast. God, if I ever found out who took that. There's the field where I was flying in. Starting to get into the winds a little bit, but it seems okay. I tilt the camera down at some point here. There we go. There's the roof. And then I bring it in for a landing. Uneventful 5th flight. I'm getting better at it. I think tomorrow, if the winds are calm, I'll do another speed run out in the field and we'll see if I can get a little lower. I like that speed run look, that low to the ground. See you later.